CH. Now we have CH3, CH, CH3, and what we have? OSO3H. OSO3H, partially negative and partially positive. Again we reacted with water. What would happen? With water, what would happen? We will get CH3, CH and CH3 and O, and the bond is broken, and we will also get a part which is SO3H. Okay? Now this is the negative part, it will take positive part of hydrogen. This is the positive part, it will take negative part of hydrogen. So what we get is 2-propanol according to the Marconi-Koof rule. So this is a revision of preparation of alcohol from alkene. Now the preparation of alcohol from alkyl halide. Now we do the preparation of alcohol from alkyl halide. From alkyl halide. अब अल्काइल हैलाइड से हमें अगर बनाना है अल्कोहल तो कोई भी आप अल्काइल हैलाइड ले सकते हैं, बहुत आसान है. मिसाल के तौर पर यू टेक C2H5Cl. It is partially negative and this is partially positive, and you react it with sodium hydroxide, for example. ठीक है, NaOH. This is positive, this is negative. Now this will behave as a nucleophile, and nucleophile will attack on alpha carbon which is partially positive. ठीक है, nucleophile will attack on alpha carbon which is partially positive. As a result, chloride would go out as leaving group. याद है, it would go out as leaving group. So what would happen? In the end we would have what? We will have C2H5 attacked by whom? And chloride gone out. C2H5 was attacked by OH and chloride attacked on sodium. So we get alcohol. ठीक है. So this is the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Do you remember? SN2 reaction. In case of, because it is primary alkyl halide, SN2 reaction. ठीक है. From the same reaction, if you use in the same reaction, if you use for example CH3 CH CH3 Cl, you carry out the same reaction, you will get what? You will get secondary alcohol. Complete it and show me. It is your homework. With this compound reacted with sodium hydroxide, you will get secondary alcohol. And if you take CH3, ये आएगा ना सर, CH3 C CH3 Cl and CH3, then this is tertiary butyl chloride. You reacted with same NaOH and you tell me the product, it would be a 3-degree alcohol. ठीक है. So we can make it from alkyl halide. Any sort of alcohol can be prepared from the alkyl halide. And now preparation of the alkyl halide from aldehyde and ketone. Next is what? Preparation of alkyl halide preparation of alkyl halide, and third method is from aldehyde and ketone with Grignard reagent. ठीक है, with Grignard reagent. अब इसका रूल याद है? इसका रूल बहुत आसान है. Grignard reagent with formaldehyde. Grignard reagent with formaldehyde will give you 1 degree alcohol, और Grignard reagent with any other aldehyde. Any other aldehyde will give you 2 degree alcohol, and Grignard reagent with ketone will give you 3 degree alcohol. We studied it in the previous chapter. ठीक है. Now the next reaction is Grignard reagent. Preparation of alcohol from the reduction of aldehyde and ketone. Preparation of alcohol from reduction of aldehydes and ketones. ठीक है. For example, if we take the example of aldehyde, any aldehyde we can take CH3, CH2, COH, and if we react it with hydrogen, this is simply hydrogen by Raney-Nichols. Hydrogen in the presence of platinum as a catalyst and at high temperature. What would happen? This pi bond would be broken. ठीक है, this pi bond would be broken, and we would get CH3, CH2, C, H and O. We will get this thing. ठीक है. Now oxygen will have to complete its valency of 2. It would make a bond with hydrogen, and this carbon would make a bond with hydrogen. What we get? 1 degree alcohol. This is 1 degree alcohol. Alpha carbon is attached only on one side to the carbon chain. So we get 1 degree alcohol when we reduce aldehyde. ठीक है. And if we take the example of ketone, CH3, CH2 है ये, CH3, CH2, CO, CH3, now if we react it with hydrogen in the presence of palladium can also be taken at high temperature. ठीक है. What would happen? CH3, only pi bond is broken. We will get CH3, CH2, C, CH3 and O. The pi bond, a weaker bond, is broken. And what would happen? Hydrogen over here to complete the valency, and hydrogen over here to complete the valency of carbon. Now what we get? What sort of alcohol is it? Primary, secondary or tertiary? This is alpha carbon. Secondary, alpha carbon is attached on its right to the carbon chain, on its left to the carbon chain. So it is 2 degree alcohol. So this is the we get 2 degree alcohol. ठीक है.